Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class. Today, let us begin with English 1 new chapter. Chapter 12 Nouns, Gender. Then later on, let us move on to chapter 26 using negative form. So, let us begin with the nouns, gender. Read this passage. Open your English 1 book, children, page number 35. Read this passage. All the girls and the boys in the school were very excited that day. Their favorite cricketer, Sachin Tendulkar, was visiting their school. Their teacher gave each of them a card with the cricketer's photo on it. Wow! He had given each child a special card in which he had written their name and had signed it too. All the words in red are nouns, but what is difference about each one of them? Yes, they belong to different genders. Nouns can be masculine, feminine, common or neuter in gender. Girls belongs to the feminine gender, boys belongs to the masculine gender, card belongs to the neuter gender, and child belongs to the common gender. Here students, girls, ladies, women, they belong to feminine gender. They are called as females also. Next, boys, man, uncle, grandfather, etc. They belong to masculine gender and they are also called as male. Card belongs to neuter gender. Why card belongs to neuter gender? Because it is not having a life. It is nor a girl nor a boy. So it is neuter gender. Then child belongs to common gender because we don't know whether the child is girl or boy. So it is common gender. Remember, a noun that signifies a male is said to be of the masculine gender. Here students, all boys are considered as male. They are called as masculine gender. A noun that signifies a female is said to be of the feminine gender. All girls, ladies are considered as female and they are said to be as feminine gender. A noun that signifies a non-living or a lifeless thing is said to be of the neuter gender. As I told you, a thing which does not have a life, it is called as neuter gender. A noun that signifies both male and female is said to be of the common gender. Both male and female are said to be common gender. Let's move on to A main. Rewrite these sentences, changing the gender of the highlighted nouns, making other necessary changes. Here students, they have given you common genders. We have to identify whether it is a masculine gender or feminine gender and we have to change according to that. Okay, the first one. My mother went to the market with my brother. Here you have to just change the highlighted words. Children, write these sentences in your classwork book. Okay, and the first one goes this way. My father went to the market with my sister. We have changed the highlighted words as father and sister. Second, my nephew invited me and my aunt for the party. Nephew will become niece, aunt will become uncle. My niece invited me and my uncle for the party. Third, the lady ordered juice for herself and a slice of cake for her son. Here, lady will become gentleman and son will become daughter. The gentleman ordered juice for himself and a slice of cake for his daughter. Fourth, the mother went to the bazaar with his wife. Students, this sentence does not give any meaning. The sentence is wrong, so please ignore this sentence. Now fifth one. The princess was happy to see the king. Princess will become prince, king will become queen. The prince was happy to see the queen. Sixth, the heroine of the movie acted better than the other actors of the movie. Here heroine becomes hero. So the sentence is, the hero of the movie acted better than the other actors of the movie. Seventh, the wife sat by the window waiting for my aunt. Wife will become husband, aunt will become uncle. The husband sat by the window waiting for my uncle. Eighth, the queen welcomed the prince with flowers and gifts. Here queen will become king, prince will become princess. The king welcomed the princess with flowers and gifts. B. Pick out all common nouns from the passage and put a tick mark in the correct column. One has been done for you. Here students, they have given you one small para. From that you have to identify which are common nouns, masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender, and you have to write in the column. Okay. I cannot forget my last birthday. My uncle gifted me a watch while my mother baked a cake for me. In school, all my teachers and friends gave me birthday cards. My sister called me from Delhi and wished me. My father bought a bicycle. My aunt Geeta came home with her little baby. Students, here we will write down which are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender in these columns. Okay. Then common noun. Can you see the common noun? Yes, birthday is common noun and they have given it. Okay. Next, let us see which are the masculine gender. Masculine gender means male. Yes. Can you see who are there? Yes, uncle. Uncle is male. So it is masculine gender. Next is what? Father. Father is also masculine gender. Uncle and father are masculine gender. Next, let us go to feminine gender. Can you find out? Feminine gender is nothing but female. So, mother. Mother is a lady, female. Next, sister. Sister is a girl. Okay. Next, aunt. So, mother, sister, aunt are feminine gender. Next, we have to go on to common gender. Children, can you identify common gender? Yes, see here. Teachers. Teachers, they have not given definite teacher name. Yes, so we can consider teachers as common gender. We don't know whether girl teacher or boy teacher. Next, baby. Okay, baby is also common gender, as we are not sure it is a girl baby or boy baby. Friends. Friends may be girls or boys. So friends are common gender. Teachers, baby, friends are common gender. Next, neuter gender. Neuter gender is nothing but which is not having life. Okay. So watch. Watch, bicycle, cake, school. These all don't have life, so they are considered as neuter gender. Next, C. Solve the crossword puzzle with opposite gender of the given clues. Here students, they have given you the clues. You have to write opposite gender of those in these blanks. I hope it is very easy for you. You can write it by yourself. Students, let me read for you. Cross. Third one is hostess. Fourth, sister. Eighth, heiress. Ninth, wife. Down. First one, mother. Second, poetess. Fourth, girl. Fifth, emperor. Sixth, hero. Seventh, niece. Now let us move on to chapter 26 using the negative form. Open page number 88. You have learned about negative sentences. Now let us know that there are different ways to make a negative sentence. When the sentence has a helping verb, we use not after the helping verb and before the main verb in the sentence. Helping verbs are nothing but are, is, was, were, etc. So, we used not after the helping verb or in the main verb. Okay, so let us see the example. For example, we are going to the market. Here, are is an helping verb, going is a main verb. To make this sentence negative, we would write it as we are not going to market. Similarly, he has given his book to the teacher. Here we have to use not to make the sentence negative. So, he has not given his book to the teacher. Students, chapter 4 is negative sentence. You just go through that negative sentence chapter once more, then go with the using of negative form. Then you will understand properly. Okay. Now let us move on to A. Now make these sentences negative. First, Mithilesh is swimming in the pool. Here students, you have to make it negative. Is an helping verb, so we are using not after the helping verb. The sentence is Mithilesh is not swimming in the pool. Second, the children are decorating their classroom. Here are is an helping verb, so after are we are going to use not. The children are not decorating their classroom. Third, the monkey has eaten all the bananas. Here has is an helping verb. After has we are using not. So the answer is the monkey has not eaten all the bananas. Fourth, the stars are shining in the sky. Again are is an helping verb. So after are we are going to use not. The stars are not shining in the sky. Fifth, you have seen this movie earlier. Have is an helping verb. After have we are going to use not. So the answer is you have not seen this movie earlier. When the sentence does not have a helping verb, we use does not, do not or did not to make a sentence negative. As I told you, helping verbs are is, have, had, were, are. When these words are not there in the sentence, then we are going to use does not, do not or did not. For example, I play football every day. Here there is no helping verb, so we are going to use do not. I do not play football every day. Next, she sings very well. She does not sing very well. Krishna gave me a chocolate. Krishna did not give me a chocolate. In the above sentences, we can see that the main verb is used in its original form. Thus, sings becomes does not sing and gave becomes did not give. B main, make these sentences negative. Make necessary changes accordingly. Here students, in these sentences, there are no helping words. So, we are going to use do not, does not or did not. First one, we all played softball near the beach. We all did not play softball near the beach. We have used did not. Second, I waited in the kitchen for mom to serve me rice. I did not wait in the kitchen for mom to serve me rice. Third, the housekeeping staff made the beds in our suite. The housekeeping staff did not make the beds in our suite. Fourth, the children cleaned the classroom today. The children did not clean the classroom today. Fifth, Mia asked a lot of questions from her geography teacher. Mia did not ask a lot of questions from her geography teacher. Sixth, our school got new computers for the lab. Our school did not get computers for the lab. Seventh, she visited us last weekend. She did not visit us last weekend. Eighth, they built a house near the city. They did not build a house near the city. Ninth, my son bought a new bike. My son did not buy a new bike. 10th, they went shopping in Banaras. They did not go shopping in Banaras. C. Main. Use the negative forms of the verbs given in the brackets to fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. First, Lalit is dash eat the chocolate. So the answer is Lalit is not eating the chocolate. We have to do negative form, right? Second, we are dash go to the zoo. We are not going to the zoo. We have used not because there is a helping verb are. Third, the policeman has dash the thief. The policeman has not caught the thief. Catch will become caught. Fourth, they will dash take money from us. They will not take money from us. Fifth, the cat is dash drink tea. The cat is not drinking tea. Students, this is the end of the chapter. Write all these mains, that is A, B, C mains in your classwork book. Thank you.